If you want the best, most delicious, easy banana bread recipe, then stay tuned. So you're going to want to have 2 separate bowls, one for the dry ingredients and one for the wet ingredients. So you're going to start with 1.5 cups of brown or white sugar, and then you are going to add in 1/2 cup or 1 stick of butter. And then you're going to cream the sugar and the butter together. You're going to want to make sure everything is nice and smooth and creamed together. And then you're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, or in my case I used 4 teaspoons of baking soda. And then you will add your cinnamon and your nutmeg. You can use allspice as well, and that I didn't measure out. You just use it to your liking. Then you mix everything together perfectly. You could use a mixing machine if you want, a blender, but I didn't. Mine was broken. And then here you're going to crack 2 eggs, whisk them together, and then you're going to add to your liking vanilla essence and a dash of lemon juice. Whisk that together as well. And from here, you're going to add sour cream. And that was 1/4 cup of sour cream. And then you're going to add 2 or 3 very ripe bananas. And then you'll include the whisked eggs. Mix that all together really, really well. Here you could use that mixing machine again. I just used my hands. It was very, very easy. And you'll make sure all the lumps from the bananas are out and smoothed. And you'll continue to do that until you get the desired consistency as well as flavor that you like. So I just continue to add more cinnamon, nutmeg, lemon juice, and vanilla essence until it was perfect. And then you'll give that another good mixing, taste test, and then you'll add 1.5 cups of flour slowly to your bowl. Mix that in slowly until it's perfectly dissolved and mixed in. And here I continue to add more of the flour. It's still 1.5 cups of flour. And it's thoroughly mixed in. And then again, I add more vanilla. I really love vanilla, so you can go as heavy or as light as you like here. Continue to mix. Then you'll spray your loaf pan. I used a glass one. I sprayed it with butter. Then you'll add in your mixture and place it into the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Check on it after 35 minutes to ensure that it isn't burnt or underdone. And here's the finished result. Enjoy!